First, we will briefly introduce the step of installing OS server. As we can see, this is the website that we will be using, which is the official website of Oracle Virtual Machine. Only after that, we search for the Windows Server 2016, as we can see on the screen right now. After the installation is completed, we can see it on the download history site.
The first step is installing the VirtualBox. At this part, choose the Windows source. As what we can see, this notification will pop up on the screen after reading all of it. You can click next and next again. When the warning notification pop up, you can click yes, and after that, click yes again. After going through all that process, the Windows hosts are ready to be installed. The duration of the installation will be consuming a lot of time, so we just have to wait until it fully complete and then click finish button.
After the installation completed, click VirtualBox, and this is the tools inside of VirtualBox as been shown on the screen. The second step is to click the new icon, and you will have to change the name of the virtual machine and the operating system to whatever you like. But as for our cases, we will name it as IMD163. For the folder part, change it to others and it will pop up the screen of the file manager. For this part, select the folder with the name of IMD163. After that, change the ISO image to Windows Servers 2016 that we have downloaded earlier. For the edition part, you will have to change to Standard Evolution Desktop Experience. After this part, click Unintended Installation and click Next. And next up, as you can see, this is the hardware edition. And you can change it based on what you like. After you're done with everything, just click Next and you will come to the virtual hard disk part. For this part, remember to click Pre-allocate full size and then Next. Only after that, you click Finish. After all of that, you will be automatically directed to the main menu of IMD163 folder. For this step, click Discard and then Start. Then the notification will pop up. Then you can click Show and will show us that the setup for the Windows Server 2016 is completed.
Let's continue to the fourth step. The language of the Windows Server have to be changed to English United States, also for the time and currency. Then click Next. Only then, click Install Now and wait for the installation to be completed. After that, select the operating system that you want to install. So for our cases, we will choose Windows Server 2016 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience and then click Next. For the partition part, click Next and choose Custom Size of Local Drive and click Apply and then OK. Next, repeat the same step for the other two local drive disks and only after that you click Next. After this step, the process of installing will take time, so we will have to wait. After the installation completed, click Restart Now. Then, as you can see, the Windows icon will pop up, which means it is restarting and obviously we will have to wait again. After a few minutes, the screen will show something like this, and you will have to customize the settings by keying the username and set the password, and after that just click finish. So that's the end of the fourth step.
For the last step, after you're done customizing your settings, the lock screen of the Windows Server 2016 will be shown just like what you can see right now. After that, just simply log in your Windows using the new password that you just created just now. For the time, click on the date and time. After that, you will automatically go to the settings. So scroll down, select time zone and find the Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. So after you're done, find it, just click and done. So click on the search icon on the bottom left and search system information. So go to the system summary and automatically the information of the Windows Server 2016 will be shown. So it's all have been shown, all of the information in the computers. For these steps, press the Windows and R button at the same time on your keyboard to show the system name run. In the search bar, type diskmanagement.msc and then click OK. This way, the disk management will be shown after you search it. Then go to the local disk D, right click and choose shrink the volume. After you've done this, you will have to key in the amounts of space to shrink and then click shrink. Only after that you click yes. Next step, click again the local disk D to change the drive letter and pathway by clicking to it. Next up, click the change and you can enter the new drive letter or path by assigning the drive with the letter you choose. And for ours, we choose the letter K and click OK, then yes to confirm it. So here you guys to see the local disk that we just created. Then click on local disk K and then click format disk. After this, click start and then OK for the format of the disk is complete. For the next step, click on the search icon again and type this PC, then right click and go to the properties. Then the Windows Server 2016 basic information will pop out. After this, go to the computer name, domain and workgroup settings, then change the name of it to IMD163 and then click OK and then done. For the next step, go to the settings and go to the account. As you can see, this is the administrator account. So you can change it on, click on other people. Then you can use the other account beside the administrator. So this one is using the administrator, so we can change it with using the Microsoft account that we use. For these steps, just stay on the settings again, but click on the updates and security. As you can see, these are the updates if Windows need to update for a better version. Also, we can see the update history that we have been updated for the last time we update. So we can change the time hours and we start to fulfill our updates. Because of times, updates can take a long time. These steps, open the folder, then click on documents and at the same time create one folder, and I will name it as IMD163. After that, put it on the desktop, so right click on the folder, click properties, then click sharing and share. After this, choose everyone and click add, then you can click share. After that, done for the sharing folder. For these steps, you can right-click on the taskbar to open the Task Manager, but I choose to search the Task Manager and click More Details. After that, as you can see, there are a lot of running apps. Then we can check the details about our computers, performance, also users and service. For the last of these 5 steps, use the method keyboard, Windows and R at the same time to open the run, and type the nepris to open. After that, you can see the user account, so click on add to add your name, PC other than administrator, but you need a password and a password hints. Then after that, click finish and then click OK, so you get the new name of your PC.